Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Dirt Rally 2.0. I've got my steering wheel plugged in. I guess there's really no good time to do this. But this may not be the best time. Right in the middle of a championship. So I took the spring out, the stock spring, and replaced it with a really soft spring. Cut the rubber stopper in half, and then put a equal sized soft rubber eraser piece on top of that. So it's an easier compression, and then eraser, and then the hard stopper. So far so good. I've just run around the parking lot a bit. Oh. This could be such a disaster. So bad. Probably not the best way to start. I don't even have all the screws back in the pedal. This is just a test. And it's not even mounted onto my frame. So, and I'm just getting used to it again. All the buttons here. So I'm going to stick with a new wet. And looks like we're good. Yeah. This is Rally 4, I think. Stage 3. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. So,
starts 50.
Turn
this
a
one
bit.
Left. Don't cut. Good luck.
And oh boy. Yeah. Okay. Hold brake. That's still the B button, right? It is.
4, 3, 2.
Oh boy.
Go.
Here we go. So pedals now.
Turn one left.
Okay.
Don't
Oh.
cut.
So let's just take it easy here.
Opens.
Oh. Okay.
100
Whoa.
To chicane. Right
Accidentally bumped my view. Let's get back into. I mean, I eventually will learn that. So chicane. Oh, great. That's a great way to practice. The
150. Chicane.
Steering
left
wheel.
entry.
I'll be last place, and I'll probably regret this, but you have to make the jump sometime.
160.
So.
Turn square right.
Square right. So we're gonna test the brakes out for the first time, and
100.
brakes are good. Brakes are better.
Flat crest. 90. 3 right tightens.
It's gonna be the combination, like for my emergency
Opens of a
brake,
crest
which
long. Tightens, don't
I think
cut.
is still on my
2
steering
over
wheel.
junction.
yeah, that B.
60.
Okay, but hopefully if my brake is, it works now.
Tightens of a crest.
The
uphill
stock
into
on the
slow,
Logitech
turn square
G920,
right,
the
don't
stock
cut.
brake.
50.
I mean, I'm a bigger guy, and I still couldn't put enough pressure. Looks like right here. I couldn't put enough pressure on
Left
the
long, don't cut.
the brake to even
Opens.
stop. So
200.
I don't like. There's a couple things. One, I'm on a chair with wheels. That's got to change. I can't be doing that. And I always have been. And now that I'm pushing on pedals,
150 over crest.
that matters.
5
Okay.
right long. Opens of a crest.
Okay. Secondly, it's tucked in under my
Into
desk,
turn 4 left of a crest.
but
100. 3 left of a crest. Don't cut.
when you
80.
pull back on the steering wheel, the whole thing pulls back. So I need to mount it,
Into
3 and then
6
4.
left 30.
I need to clamp it or mount it to my desk somehow. That'll be easy to figure out. Okay, we got a 2 right.
Opens of a
And the
crest
brake
into 6
definitely
left of a
slows it
crest.
down.
Into turn
It's
4
appropriate.
right,
I
don't
like
cut.
it.
100.
Okay. Now I just have to
6
work
left.
on
Open slow 30. Crest into turn square left.
the accelerator's great. The brake is good. Square, we got a square coming up, so be ready for this. So yeah, I can definitely stop now. That's sweet. It's just the steering now.
Turn
So,
open hairpin right. Don't cut.
and the combination of using the emergency brake, which
Into turn,
if I'm
don't cut
turning the
hairpin
brake
left.
at this, if I'm turning the wheel,
80.
oh, that's a lot of steering. Okay. If I'm,
Flat
that's a lot of
right.
steering back, so I
100.
might want to increase the return spring strength.
Flat crest.
Maybe.
Into 4 left long.
4 left long.
Into 4 right long. Opens of a crest. Into 4 left
Yeah, I'm not
long
gonna
of a crest.
not gonna beat
tightens.
any speed records.
Into turn
But
unseen
if I
2
make
right.
the plunge
Long, caution, tightens.
and dedicate myself to this and
into
get
3 left. Very long.
and get that's a lot of steering.
Opens.
Don't really like how much I have to steer on that, but like a little tighter. Watch that rock.
Unseen.
Watch that rock
heavy
too.
left.
Come on. So it's it's just different. It's different.
And hairpin right.
But I don't like that the emergency brake is not.
Into 6 left.
I mean, if
And
I'm
6
turning the
right
wheel
long,
and the
tightens
wheel and the
4.
emergency brake could be upside down. So I might want
Into
to.
5
So I have it
left.
on automatic, semi-automatic
downhill.
shifting. So if I want to
Unseen
shift up or
hairpin
down,
left.
I can. I like that. I can
Opens.
go sooner. But whoa, okay.
And open hairpin right.
But it will shift for me. Obviously, it's doing all that right now.
200.
But if I want to shift down, like here, tree. Okay, I'm gonna have to tighten up the steering wheel.
Into 6 left of a
I
crest.
want a little bit
downhill,
more.
slow
So
100,
I'm turning about
turn
12 inches
unseen
of the wheel
hairpin
right now, and it's going straight. So that tells you one thing. I need to, whoa. And then it's, wow, that's interesting. I did all that
200
steering, and
of a
then like
crest.
10 seconds later, it started weaving. So kind of a delay.
6 right of a crest. Opens slow.
Check
Keep
this
left of
out just a little
80 of
bit,
jump.
test it. Not a good time to test it when I'm in the middle of a
Unseen,
championship.
1 left,
Trying to make the
tightens
top
of a crest.
10 and probably had a chance at the top 3. I did. That's gone now.
Into 6 right.
But I just decided
Opens flat of a crest into 6 left. 100 of a finish.
I had,
To stop.
you gotta try it sometime. Okay. Plus I was curious about the brake. So the brake is good, steering is a little bit shaky. Oh, for
Stage
sure.
finished.
I mean,
Well done.
I'd love to run that again with my controller and see how close I am. It was 453. I'm not going to do that. That won't be fair. 27th. So there goes my season. I mean, just switching over to the steering wheel. Dropped from like, what was I, 4th, 5th, or 7th, down to 18th. So, yikes. Some growing pains here for sure. All right. So 4th stage, no repairs between between these stages, and we'll try to go a little faster this time.
Unseen square left, don't cut. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60 over crest, turn unseen square left, don't cut.
So I'm thinking I'm gonna change one of my paddle
280.
shifters into the e-brake because, well, I can't reach those either if I'm turning at the same time. That's the problem with the steering wheel. If you
Turn
need to
tight
reach
hairpin
something,
right, uphill.
I mean, I guess your paddle shifters should be always under your fingers
100.
anyway.
Long flat crest, 120.
So not fast. So my setup is just not
Turn 1 left
awesome
over
right
crest.
now. Need to get a chair that doesn't have wheels.
Opens long,
Okay,
tightens
and just
turn,
practice.
1 left over crest, 300.
So theoretically, I should be able to be
Flat,
way
6 right
smoother
long.
eventually. The
Into 5
littlest of
left.
turns, you know, whereas my joystick, my controller,
120.
was all about tap, tap, tap,
5
tap,
right long,
and
tightens
never
4.
smooth, but
Slow 30, turn square left, don't cut.
square. We got a square coming up. Careful with the brake. Oh, I thought that was right there. Square is right up here. Oh, this is a Sunday
30.
afternoon drive. How embarrassing.
Turn square left, don't cut. 150.
Square left.
Flat
Definitely
left.
feels more. It feels
80.
more like driving with a wheel, for sure. A controller is not
Keep
something
right
you'll
over
have in
crest,
a real
slow 30,
car.
Turn narrow 3 left.
So I like
30.
it for that. Okay, brake
Turn
is
tight
very
right.
sensitive. I like that too. I had 3 choices of springs in the install kit that I
Into turn, don't cut square
bought.
left.
Let's go here.
50.
Trying to go a little faster if I
Tight hairpin
can.
right. Don't
Hairpin.
cut.
Now this is where I would tap the e-brake usually,
80.
but I don't really know where that is
Turn
at this
square
point.
right. Into turn 1 left. Don't cut. Opens long, narrow. Into 6 right. 300.
Okay, let's go. 23rd place. Look
Slow
at
6 right of a crest.
Oh,
Don't cut.
it's
Into turn
that. It's
square
kind of hard to
left.
take. But okay, careful,
30.
careful, careful.
Turn 1 left. Opens 80. Crest 30. Turn unseen hairpin right. 80. Turn hairpin left. 40.
Hairpin, hairpin.
Flat crest. 150. Flat middle of a jump. 50. 5 left. Into 5 right. Into 6 left of a crest. 80. Keep middle of a crest. 60. Narrow 4 right tightens.
Narrow 4 right. Okay, barrels or K or whatever.
Into turn 3 left.
Okay.
80. Keep right. Into turn 2 left tightens.
Class
30.
leader is quite a ways ahead of me. I'm not used to
Turn
that,
hairpin
but
left.
second time with the steering wheel, so what can I
150.
expect, right?
Keep middle of a crest. 60. Turn narrow 3 right tightens. Into turn tight hairpin right. $80. Flat left of a crest. 200. Slow keep left of a long crest. 30. Turn hairpin right. Opens 4 right of a crest. Into turn hairpin left. Don't cut. 80. 6 right of a crest. Very long. Tightens 5. 30. 4 left long tightens. Opens 30. Turn. Don't cut to left. 180. Turn unseen, 4 right of a crest. 50. Six right of a crest long, tightens 4. Slow 30, turn sudden, square right. And turn square left. 80. 6 right long, 70, turn unseen hairpin left. Into 6 right, 70, turn hairpin left. Opens flat of a crest, 100. Slow crest into turn square right. Opens 140. 6 left long, 50, turn 1 right of a crest, 100, flat left in dip, and jump maybe, 50, turn square right, 50, 6 right long, opens of a crest, into slow, 5 left long, tightens turn, don't cut, 1 left. 80. Turn unseen, 1 right of a crest tightens. 200. Long flat crest, 100. Turn unseen, don't cut hairpin right. Into 5 left long, 50. Slow turn unseen, 1 left, don't cut of a crest. Into flat right. Into 5 left long of a crest, 40. Six right long, 120. Slow 6 left of a crest into turn, 2 right tightens narrow. 80 of a crest, turn unseen, turn square right, don't cut. Into 5 left long, opens 150. Crest, into 6 right, 140. Caution crest, turn, don't cut square left. Opens 50 over crest. Turn hairpin right. 50. 6 right. Turn unseen square left. 50. 6 right of a crest. Open slow 30. Turn unseen 1 right. 3 left. Opens, keep right of a 50, turn unseen, tight hairpin left, don't cut. 50, crest into turn square right, don't cut. Into 6 left of a crest, 50, turn unseen, square left, don't cut. 50, over finish. 2 left long, tightens to stop. Well done. Stage finished. Well done.
Not sure.